Hi guys, my name is Dali from the village called Ngileni in South Africa. We speak isiXhosa and then we live traditionally in the community. In 2004, we've opened up a lodge called Bulungula Lodge, and that is one of the lodges that fight against the climate change, where we use the solar system. And now we want to take that into the next level, where we want to buy an electric car that will be rechargeable by the solar system. We've raised up to 85% of the money to buy that car. We need 180,000 rand, which is $10,000. We will appreciate anyone who can make a contribution, even how small it is, to make this dream come true. I thank you.